Hi, I'm Alex Siegel, the Master of Runes, and let me ask you something. What if a single symbol could shift your energy and what you attract and manifest in your life? Sounds wild, but stay with me. Runes have been used for centuries to align the mind and the subconsciousness, to direct your energy and to manifest. And today I will show you how they work, and how you can use them to your benefit right after this video. I have spent years searching for something simple and effective that actually works. I tried different spiritual systems until I found runes. My first ritual with runes gave me an instant result and instant improvement in my life. That moment changed everything for me. I dove deep into rune magic. I studied and experimented for years, building and refining a simple system of rune magic, and eventually taught it to clients and my students, who started seeing their own results immediately. And that is why I created my courses and rune formula collections. So you can use the same tools to heal yourself, to heal your family, to your benefit, without spending years trying to figure it out and making costly mistakes. So what are runes? Runes are a symbolic alphabet. Each rune is a psychological and a spiritual archetype. The 24 runes together fully map your inner world, your mind, your life patterns, your energy. And when you activate a rune or combine several runes, you are basically giving your subconscious a clear command. The main method of rune magic is creating an amulet encoded with an intention, activating the amulet in a certain way, and then your subconscious starts working on the program of the amulet. Different processes can be started in such a way. From healing your subconsciousness, removing obstacles towards success, transforming your inefficient beliefs, or focusing on achieving your desires. Reality responds to these changes. Needed people, events, and possibilities appear in your life. It is a technology for creating synchronicities. How could such a process look like? Let's say someone is experiencing problems in life. We can use rune divination to determine whether these problems have any spiritual roots. If that is the case, we can create a runic amulet to work with these problems, to heal them, to transform them, to clear them, to remove them. Another common example is that there are no obstacles, but for some reason the person struggles to achieve success, to achieve the desired results in their life, in their career, in their love life. Then we can create a runic amulet that attracts the desired result. Now let's get some practical experience with the runes. We will do a short runic meditation where you will be able to feel the energy of the rune. We will take the first rune, Fehu. Sit with your back straight and close your eyes. Now make a deep inhale. As you exhale, exhale all the tension out of your body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And try to feel your body. Try to feel your feet, your shin, your knees, your thighs, try to feel your belly, your chest, and your back. Feel your shoulders, your arms, your forearms, your palms, then your neck, your head, your ears, your nose, try to feel your body all at the same time. Can you feel the weight of your body? Can you feel the warmth of your body? What do you feel in the area of your heart? Now on the next slide I will show you the symbol of the rune Fehu. Your goal is to look at it, focus on it, look at the rune symbol, focus on it, just observe its shape. Now pay attention while still looking at the rune, pay attention on your body. Focus on the core of your body, focus on the area of your heart, while still looking at the symbol Fehu. Keep looking at the Fehu rune, keep focusing it, and keep holding your attention on the area of your heart. Now I will switch to a dark blank screen. As soon as the rune has disappeared from the screen, did you notice a change in how your body responded? Try to focus on your body, try to focus on the area of your heart. Notice how it feels right now. Did you notice a difference between when you were looking at the rune and when you are not looking at the rune? Focus on the area of your heart and try to feel it right now. Now I will again show the rune Fehu. Focus on the rune symbol with your eyes and try to feel your heart. Now I will again remove the rune symbol. As soon as I do it, you notice the difference of the feeling in your heart. Focus on the rune and feel your heart. Have you noticed the difference between the feeling in your heart when you were looking at the rune and where there is no rune? This difference is the energy of the rune Fehu. Now let's activate a rune formula. This is the rune formula known as the Runic Energizer. These runes are the rune Algis, the rune of the higher forces, and the rune Sovilo, the rune of sun energy. These runes are safe with no negative effects, and it is safe for everybody. Right now you can take a marker or a pen and draw these runes on your left hand, in any place with any colored pen or marker. Then when you're done drawing them, you activate them by looking at them and by saying, by the power of these runes, I will be energized, I will have more energy, so be it. You can speak the words in your native language. And then, during the coming day, just pay attention and try to notice, try to observe how you have more energy than usually. At the end of the day, analyze your day. Did you feel better? Did you have more energy? Were you more active than usual? Maybe something interesting happened. If you had an interesting experience, please comment it. If you didn't notice the work of the runes, that just means one thing. You didn't notice how the runes worked, because runes always work. So, try to pay attention to your day and try to see where the rune energy manifested in your day. If this resonated with you, if you felt something during the runic meditation, that means that runes work for you. And by not using them, you are missing out on so much in your life. Imagine being competent in rune magic and having hundreds of rune formulas for all life areas. That is exactly why I have created my Rune Magic Quick Start course and my rune formulas and runic staves collections. On the course, in just 30 minutes, you will learn how to use runes and how to activate them safely. The rune formulas and rune staves collections have hundreds of very powerful formulas and staves for all areas of life. And you can get all that instantly. You don't need to spend years or even months studying. Imagine what a consistent practice with an experienced mentor can unlock in your life. Click below and get instant access. Start your first runic ritual in 5 minutes. And a little gift for you, just because you are watching my webinar, I am giving you limited time discounts on all my products. Don't miss out on this. Get a powerful tool that will help you in your life.